it's a very snowy morning today here in Connecticut. Nag-i-snow siya, pero hindi siya katulad nung sa snowstorm na sobrang lakas ng buhos. Ngayon parang ano lang, parang anong tawag dyan? Ambon lang ng snow. Pero sobrang lamig ngayon. Parang napansin ko nga mas malamig pa kesa dun sa kapag nag-snowstorm. Pag ganito yung buhos ng snow. So ngayon pupunta ulit kami ng Walmart. Kasi nakauwi na si Richie from work. Kung mapapansin nyo ang mga vlog ko, ganun lang. Pupunta ng Walmart or sa mall. Kasi wala pa naman kaming ibang mapuntahan lalo na sa weather ngayon. And wala pa rin naman akong driver's license. And hindi pa rin ako marunong mag-drive. So talagang wala kaming mapupuntahan unless si Richie umuwi siya or pag sinusundo kami ng mother-in-law ko para ipasyal. Ngayon nandito kami sa gas station. Papagas si Richie. Ayan. Ayan ang snow. Kung nakikita nyo siya sa camera, very light lang. Pero yun nga, sobrang palamig.
Maybe we should go look at carpets.
Yeah. Ganap daw kami ng carpet. Dito na kami sa Walmart. Sobrang lamig sa labas. Parang nag-freeze na yung aking paa. Yes, love. That one looks good. Maybe we should buy that. Ayan. Naghanap kami ng carpet ngayon. Lalagay namin sa aming bedroom. Ito parang ang ganda ng tela. Very soft. Right, love?
Yeah, but it's thin.
Ha?
You have thin.
What?
It's the same thing, but it's thick.
Ayan, that one looks good. Love, it shouldn't be white. It should be, the color should be dark.
This is the options.
How about this one? This one.
Well, I really don't want to buy it unless it's this.
Yeah, I like that. But it's too thin.
No, it's going to be that. It's a tag on that.
Barcode.
Please, no, check it out.
How much is it? There's no price.
It's $110.
How big?
It's 5 by 7.
How big is that?
It's good enough. It's kind of the right size. Oh my god, it's so soft.
Yeah, I like that too. Sobrang soft nito. Ang ganda. How much is it, love? 100 what? Ha?
Just take this tag.
So parang nasa $100+ daw. 5 by 7 ang size. Not bad. Tapos ang lambot nyo, sobrang soft. Kaso parang hirap linisin ito. Saka dapat lagi talagang nililinis kasi yung kulay niya is light. So what are you looking for?
Windshield wipers.
Ayan. So naghanap siya ng windshield wipers. Kami sa diaper section para sa mga diaper ni Zara. Ayan ang kanyang dada.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
7 to 13 kilograms? How many kilograms do you
Yes.
think she
The
weighs?
last time that I weighed her, she's 8.5 kilograms.
When was that?
Before we left.
You think
In
she,
the Philippines.
What if she gained 4 kilograms?
That's impossible. We haven't been here for a month or over a month yet. Right, baby? Yeah. Naghahanap kami ng blocks para kay Zeta. Kasi gusto niya maglaro ng mga blocks. I think this one is good. What's that? The other one?
This one you like put them into the hole. It's the heart hole.
I think she's too small for that. This one is okay.
What about a teddy bear?
Love, she has a lot of
What
stuffed
about
toy.
an-
No. Do you like that, baby?
I don't like the noise of it.
Ayan, so gising na ang ating pretty baby, pretty Zeta. Natutulog siya kanina nung pagpasok namin dito sa Walmart.
Some that's fragrance free.
Yes. Kumuha din kami ng fragrance free na wet wipes. So yung huling nakuha namin ay may scent. Eh, medyo sensitive ang skin ni Zeta. What's that, love?
Diaper junior. I don't know. It doesn't say.
What is it?
Each refill holds 240 diapers.
Oh, so that's for the...
What does it do?
So that it would... I don't know. I think it would control the smell of the diapers. Ay, naghanap ko yung pandesal. Walang pandesal dito. So ito na lang. Is this...
It's croissants.
Is it good? Ayan, tapos na kaming mag-grocery dito sa Walmart. Biglang nag-snow ng medyo malakas and sobrang lamig. Ayan, lahat yung aming pinamili. Medyo mahal yung grocery namin for today. Love, how much did you pay for our grocery?
$518.
Yeah, so $518. Diba sobrang mahal? Baka nakaraan ang parang nagastos lang naman ni Rich na, so 100
That's
plus.
because of Zeta's diapers and Zeta's food and the carpet that we bought, the rug. So.
Yeah, so that's true. Mahal talaga pag may baby ka na. Kaya kung magbe-baby kayo, make sure na meron kayong budget. Mahal yung diapers, yung gatas ni Zeta. Tapos yun nga, bumili pa rin kami ng bagong rug para sa aming bedroom. So ayan, nanginginig kami dito sa loob kasi sobrang lamig. Naayos pa ni Richie ang aming mga pinamili. Si Zeta, nalalamig na si baby Zeta.
You might have a problem.
Hmm?
You might have a problem.
Why? Why, love?
First off, watch your...
Pauwi na kami at yan nga, nag-i-snow. Medyo malakas na siya and sobrang malamig na. Tapos nakalimutan pa namin yung water ni Zeta. So baka sa Dollar General na lang kami bumili ng kanyang tubig. Ayan, dito na kami sa bahay. Thank you for watching Zeta's Mom and Daddy's YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye-bye!